Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located on Belvedere Crescent off the main is a very well kept and excellently constructed house designed by noted architect Don McGrime. The house is disposed over 2 floors and is neatly laid out. The ground floor consists of recently upgraded kitchen, dining room with a spacious sunken living and family room. The guest bedroom and office along with the helper's quarters and laundry complete the ground floor. An imposing mahogany staircase is a central feature. The access passage to the upper floor overlooks the central area of the ground floor, and the accommodation includes a master bedroom suite with walk-in closet, shower bathroom, and a small front-facing balcony. The other 2 bedrooms are served by 1 bathroom, a TV room laid out on the outer terrace. Outside is a well-kept yard, gazebo, single carport, water tank and pump, solar water heater, and a generator with automatic transfer switch. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 85 million or US $552,200. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.